Hey loves, thanks for tuning into this week's wash and go tutorial. For this wash and go, I'm going to be using a very highly requested line by you guys. These products I'm going to be using today are from Innersense Organic Beauty. I've actually had these products for a couple years now, so I'm going to be showing you guys in what order I apply them and some tips and tricks that I did to get this super defined air dried wash and go. To start my routine, I'm fully saturating my hair with water. The Innersense motto is basically the wetter the better, and this is because their products are super concentrated, which allows you to use less products and easily distribute them throughout the hair. I probably use about half the amount of product that I normally would because of this, but it can be a little bit tricky to get used to the formulas as they are so concentrated. And as you guys probably know by now, I almost always do damp styling, so it's very different for me to be styling on soaking wet hair. The first product I'm going to use is the Innersense ICreate Volume. This is said to be a volumizing lotion that provides fullness and manageability, and I actually think this is a perfect dupe for Diva Curl's Believe In. As you can see, it is an extremely runny product, but I love that this acts as a primer and gives a great slip to the hair, which makes the curl cream that I apply afterwards just glide so easily throughout my curls. It's really up to you in which order you want to apply these products. I personally like to do the ICreate Volume first, but I know some people like to do it last or just use it on its own, so it's really up to you and your hair type. Next, we're moving on to our curl cream, which is the Quiet Calm Curl Control. This is a styling cream to boost and define curls and is probably one of the most concentrated products that I've tried. I used this very small amount for all of my hair and made sure to wet it down with extra water to make sure it wasn't too heavy for my curls. The nice thing about these concentrated products is that you can kind of customize your own products using water to make it thinner or thicker depending on what your hair needs. I also don't want to forget to mention that these products are curly girl friendly and they are a clean beauty brand, so they're a great option when being conscious about ingredients. Last but not least, we have our ICreate Hold product, which is a gel that provides a strong hold and shine. This gel is super thick when coming out of the bottle, so wetting it down with water will help the gel glide through the hair. And this gel does leave a cast, which I personally love because it helps to set the curls and reduce frizz. And since I'll be air drying today, we want that extra frizz protection as it takes much longer to dry. Alright, so after many hours of air drying, these are my final results. My hair is moisturized, defined, and has some great hold, which will really make my wash and go last. Overall, I really do enjoy these Innersense products and would recommend giving them a try, especially if you normally style on soaking wet hair or if you just want to try something a little bit different. I hope this video was helpful for those of you who wanted to see these products in action, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more weekly wash and go videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week for Wash and Go Wednesday.